Welcome everyone. Today, we're delving into a captivating exploration of the law of attraction, a principle that suggests our thoughts and feelings have the power to shape our reality. This isn't just a theory, it's a way of moving through the world, a strategy that countless individuals swear by, claiming it has transformed their lives. Affirmations are the heartbeat of this practice. They're simple, yet profound statements that, when woven into the fabric of our daily lives, can manifest desires, shape destinies, and bring about the extraordinary. It's about affirming our deepest intentions and watching the magic unfold. And within this realm of attraction and manifestation lies the potent concept of luck. Often thought of as random, luck can instead be seen as a powerful affirmation. It's the wild card in our deck, the unexpected ally, the serendipitous wind that propels our sails toward our dreams. When we affirm luck, we open doors to possibilities that stretch beyond our imagination. So, let's kick off this journey by embracing luck not just as a chance encounter but as a deliberate creation of our consciousness, a testament to our power to attract a life that's as fortunate as it is intentional. Let's start weaving the tapestry of our desired reality with the golden threads of luck. Welcome to the dance of deliberate creation, where every step, every thought, and every belief counts. Alright, let's dive a bit deeper and get cozy with the essence of luck in the grand tapestry of the law of attraction. Now, when we talk about luck, what comes to mind? A four-leaf clover? Winning the lottery? Sure, those are part of the picture. But in the law of attraction, luck is not just a happy accident. It's a state of being, an energy we emit that says, I'm ready for the good that's coming my way. It's the universe's nod, confirming you're on the right track. Perceiving opportunities as luck is like tuning your radio to a positive frequency. Suddenly, the static clears, and you're grooving to the beat of optimism. It's a mindset that scans the horizon not for what might go wrong, but for every chance to succeed. And this perspective is contagious. It sets the stage for more lucky breaks because you're open to them. You expect them. Now, let's get real with some psychology. Studies have shown that people who consider themselves lucky actually tend to be luckier. Why? Because they're more open to opportunities, more willing to take risks, and they're usually in a better mood to start with. Feeling lucky is a powerful mood setter. It's like wearing a pair of glasses that makes the world look brighter. So, I want everyone to take a moment. Think about being lucky. Really, picture it. Feel the buzz of excitement when things just start falling into place. Now, check in with yourself. Do you feel a bit lighter, maybe even a tad more cheerful? That's the power of luck at play. That's the psychological sunshine we're talking about. Let it in, bask in it, and carry it with you. It's your secret weapon in the world of attraction. Okay, let's roll up our sleeves and get into the meat and potatoes of weaving luck into our manifesting recipe. This is where things get juicy, where we turn the abstract into the absolute. First up, cultivating a strong desire. It's about pinpointing what you're after, your personal pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. But here's the twist, lace that desire with the concept of luck. Imagine not just achieving your goal, but the universe tossing you a few extra goodies along the way. That's right, visualize your goal, then sprinkle it with a little lucky fairy dust. See those lucky outcomes as part of your journey towards your burning goal. Next, we're talking about maintaining a positive vibe. Think of it as your daily emotional workout. You wouldn't skip leg day, right? So, don't skip on cultivating those positive emotions. Link those feelings to luck. When you're feeling upbeat, remind yourself, hey, I'm one lucky duck. This isn't just feel-good fluff, it's about setting a baseline for your everyday mood that says, good things come my way. Now, let's talk about cultivating a knowingness, that deep in your bones belief that luck isn't just possible, it's inevitable. You have to trust that serendipity is your friend, that lucky breaks are just around the corner. Make it a part of your mental framework. Believe in it as strongly as you believe the sun's going to rise tomorrow. Understanding that desire isn't time-bound is crucial. Time is a human construct, but the universe? It's got its own timetable. Trust that luck will deliver, not when you think it should, but right when it's meant to. It's about embracing the unpredictability of timing. Maybe that lucky break didn't happen today, but who's to say it won't happen tomorrow? Patience, my friends, is a virtue. Finally, let's cement all this with maintaining regular affirmations. These are your daily declarations of being a magnet for luck. I am lucky, luck flows to me effortlessly, every day, in every way, I'm getting luckier. Make these affirmations your morning mantra, your midday pick-me-up, your evening reflection. So, what's the takeaway? Start by defining your desire and mixing in a generous helping of luck. Keep your emotional state as buoyant as a life raft on a calm sea. Believe, with every fiber of your being, that luck is a part of your life's fabric. Let go of the when and trust in the will. And affirm, affirm, affirm. Do this, and you're not just leaving with a formula, you're stepping out as the alchemist of your own fortunate destiny. Let's take a quick pause here, and we'll dive into the specifics right after. Let's get down to brass tacks with some hands-on strategies to infuse your days with the essence of luck. This is about turning theory into action, and action into habit. Start your day with a luck-enhancing ritual. Maybe it's sipping your coffee as you envision the day's lucky breaks or taking a brisk morning walk while affirming to yourself, today, luck is my companion. It's about setting the tone early on that luck is going to be woven into the narrative of your day. Now, affirmations. These aren't just phrases you robotically repeat, they should resonate with your personal symphony of luck. Maybe luck for you means smooth traffic or a compliment from a coworker. Tailor your affirmations to reflect that. I am a magnet for positive experiences, or I attract kindness and opportunities today. Make them yours, make them stick, and most importantly, make them a part of your everyday vernacular. And you know what reinforces the belief in luck? Sharing stories. Whether it's your own tale of an unexpected promotion or your friend's anecdote about finding the last pair of shoes on sale in exactly their size, share them. It's like passing around a plate of cookies, everyone gets a taste of the good stuff. It reminds you and everyone around you that hey, luck is real, and it's happening all the time. So, let's recap. Begin each day by inviting luck in, customize those powerful affirmations, and don't be shy to share the wealth of your luck experiences. Do this, and you'll not just wait for luck to find you, you'll be out there, actively drawing it into your life. Make these practices as routine as brushing your teeth, and watch how the texture of your daily life starts to shimmer with the sheen of the fortuitous. Let's turn the lens to the real world, where the rubber meets the road, and look at some tales that'll light a fire in your belief in luck. Take, for example, the entrepreneur who credits her multi-million-dollar business to a chance encounter on a delayed flight. Striking up a conversation with a stranger led to a partnership that turned her fledgling idea into a booming success. She always says, I was just lucky to sit next to the right person. But was it just luck? She was open to conversation, radiating positivity despite the delay, and ready to share her passion. That's the manifesting formula at play. Strong desire meets positive vibe meets opportunity. Or consider the writer who landed a book deal after years of rejections. He started to carry a lucky charm, a stone given by a dear friend, which he'd rub before every pitch. Lo and behold, his next pitch was a hit. Sure, the charm might not have been magic, but his belief in it changed his mindset, made him more confident, and that's what the publishers bought into. These stories aren't anomalies, they're affirmations in motion. Each of these lucky individuals had a strong desire, maintained a positive vibe, believed in the power of luck, and stayed open to the flow of opportunities, irrespective of timing. They didn't just wish upon a star, they navigated by it. So, let these success stories be your fuel. Let them remind you that luck isn't just a throw of the dice, it's about being ready to catch the dice while they're still rolling and having the grit to say, my turn to roll. And guess what? With the manifesting formula, you've got the best odds in the house. And here we are at the end of our little adventure together. We've talked about the law of attraction, the mystic dance of chance we call luck, and how to harness it all to manifest the life you're itching to lead. Let's get something straight, luck isn't just a happy accident, it's a powerhouse affirmation. It's like a secret ingredient that, when sprinkled on your intentions, can cook up something extraordinary. Luck is that gentle nudge from the universe that whispers, "Hey, I got you." So, I'm throwing down a little challenge to you all. Embrace luck. Tuck it into your pocket like a trusty coin you can flip any time you need a reminder of your own power to attract good fortune. Infuse it into your morning coffee, your commute, your work, your interactions, heck, even your dreams. For just 1 week, live as if you're the luckiest person on the planet. Speak it, feel it, believe it. Say it with me, I am lucky. Let it be the first thought when you wake up and the last one before you sleep. Let it echo in your steps and resonate in your laughter. And then, my friends, keep your eyes peeled. Look for the difference. Maybe it'll be as clear as a bell or as subtle as a whisper, but it'll be there. The lucky parking spot, the unexpected compliment, the smile from a stranger that brightens your day, or that idea that pops into your head and screams genius. Luck is waiting for you to invite it into your life. And who knows? A week from now, you might just be telling your own story of how a simple belief in luck opened doors you didn't even know were there. So go ahead, give it a whirl. What have you got to lose? After all, you're the lucky one.